students. Hope you all are fine at home. Today our topic is shapes. You can see this picture. Can you tell me which shape is this? Yes, this is circle. Good. Okay, now which shape is this? Yes, this is a square. Square has four equal sides like you can see in this picture. Okay, now which shape is this? Yes, this is our triangle. It has three sides. Okay, now this is our next shape. Can you tell me which shape is this? Yes, very good. It's a rectangle. Do you know which shape is this, students? Yes, it's a diamond. And which shape is this? Yes, it's a heart shape. Okay, students, I know it's your favorite shape, and this is called a star. Yes, this is a star. Okay, students, now what you have to do at your home, you have to learn all the names of shapes and also match the same shapes. There is an other assignment for you all. Look around in your house at different things and tell its shape to your mom. For example, TV is rectangle, clock has a circle shape, cushion may be square. So let's see how many shapes you find in your home. Okay, thank you.